How to animate in Figma. There are many ways to create different animations in Figma, but I'm just going to show you a very simple and effective one which you can use. It looks very interesting. So if I take this to the side here, I've created a frame for an iPhone 14 and 15 Pro Max, which will have the same aspect ratio as it. So I want a button here which will be clickable and it will transition into something else. And the next step is to just grab the frame and drag it while holding down Alt on your keyboard, which will copy it here. And what I want to happen is I want this to transition into this one. So this circle will fill the page like this. And now I just want to lock it in place so it doesn't interfere with me later, like that. And I want this text to dissolve, and I want another one to be revealed down here. So I just click on that, and I want it to say welcome with an exclamation mark. Maybe make it smaller like that and place it here. Let's make it white. Just go to the fill, select the color. Okay, so what I want to happen is I want this to transition into that. So how do we do this? The first thing you want to do is go to the prototype section, which is on the right hand side right next to design. And now you want to select the first frame like this, and you want to look for this plus sign here. And if you click on and drag it, you can connect it to the next frame, and now we're going to choose the animation. So this is going to be on tap, which means if I click on anywhere on the screen, it will just transition into this one. We can also choose on drag. So if I drag out or drag my finger along the screen, it will turn into this one. We can also choose while hovering or while pressing. You get a number of triggers which you can use to trigger the animation, but for now we're just going to stay with on tap. Okay, so this says it will navigate to this frame here, and I'm going to leave this as Smart Animate, but you can also choose Instant, which won't be as interesting to look at, or it can also dissolve into this frame and a number of different ones as well. But I'm just going to stick with Smart Animate for now, and this gives us the option to make it ease into the other frame or ease out or ease in and out. You can just play around with these to find what suits your purpose best. And I'm just going to leave the speed at 600 milliseconds for now. That should be enough. So now once we set all this, we can just click on this X sign here and we should be done. So now we can look at our prototype. We just go to the top right corner and we press this play button here, which will open it in a new tab. Yep. Okay, so if I click on here, it should expand. Exactly, the text dissolves and it reveals the text down here. So this is a very simple and effective animation you can use for your welcome screen on your app. And this is just one of the many animations we can create. You can check out one of the other more detailed videos I've made on how to create sliders which you can drag around, or menus with cards which you can scroll up and down with your finger or with your mouse, which you can drag around horizontally or vertically. That's just one of the many animations you can create. So remember to check these out as well. And that's how you animate in Figma. I hope it was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.